Fun day at the country house. As you can see by these thingies, we had to repair some termite damage in the kitchen. Luckily, the subfloor was good. We had to tear up the 5/8 plywood on top that the termites seem to really love. But we've got the bad stuff out. Now we got to go get the good stuff in. Come on. Oh yeah, remove that top layer of plywood that was damaged. Now we're having fun removing the tile.